Hey, Spy Ninjas, there's a secret underneath the hatch that Project Zorgo does not want us to know. Oh, is that Joseph Banks?
What's up, old man?
We got the Porphyrazine!
Congratulations! Now you're only one device away from discovering what's beneath the hatch.
Well, one more device? I thought this was it. This is all we need.
We need something called an ionizer. The hackers have one in the Nevada desert.
All right, let's go, guys.
Yeah, take to the desert!
Yeah.
You know, I don't see the point in always going to the hatch. We've spent so many time there, done so many missions down there, and we're not discovering anything new.
Come on, Melvin, there's gotta be something really juicy down that hatch. I mean, Project Zorgo doesn't want us to go down there.
You know what? I agree with brother over here.
No way,
I don't want to go down the hatch anymore, guys. Come on.
There's something down there. Project Zorgo even deleted one of my videos.
Well, maybe some secrets are never meant to be revealed.
All right, Daniel, come on, let's go. You on our side, right?
Come on, Daniel. Daniel, come on now.
You're my most trusted colleague.
You're the first Spy Ninja.
We need to go down the hatch.
Ever since I've joined the Spy Ninjas, everybody just tells me what to do.
No,
It's underneath our safe house. We gotta find out what it is. How's the mystery person?
I got an idea. We're not coming to an agreement, so if we can't come to an agreement, we won't go to the desert. Let's just go get some tacos and have a little discussion about if we should go or should we not go.
Ooh.
Sure.
Taco Tuesday.
Hey, it's Thursday.
Taco time, taco time. Everybody in. Well, we kind of all fit except you, Melvin.
Wait, I got an idea.
What? What's this? Oh, no.
Wait a second, you're gonna hold on to the back of the car while riding a skateboard? That seems dangerous.
It is, but that's also my middle name.
Well, mine's Wild. Cool.
Yeah, I'll do anything for tacos, but as long as we're not going to that desert. Oh, before we can get tacos, we could probably go get dessert.
Wait, what'd you just say?
What, get dessert?
Okay. All right, everybody, here we go.
Let's go. Hold on. Yeah, there he goes.
I'm only going like 20 miles per hour, so hopefully, you know what? We should have had to put on us a helmet and some knee pads and some elbow pads and some wrist pads. What were we thinking? All right, we're here, everybody. Get out. Okay, we are here. Woo.
Wait,
Just right.
wait.
What do you mean? What?
I don't see any tacos here.
Where are we right now? Chad, did you take the wrong turn?
No, this is where Melvin wanted to go here first.
Wait, are we making our own tacos from scratch? Like, as in we must hunt the animal?
No, you said you wanted to do tacos later. You want to go to the desert first.
No, dessert! Cinnamon twist? This is definitely a twist.
I'm pretty sure you said desert.
No, I thought we were going to a taco place also.
After the desert.
I'm definitely sure I said dessert. 2 S's. Flashback. We could probably go get dessert. Dessert.
Oh. Sorry, but while we're here, let's just find the ionizers and then we'll go get tacos afterwards.
Yeah.
You know what, Chad?
What?
You tricked me.
Dude, no, I did. I thought you said desert. It's a simple mistake. Everybody could make it.
Ha ha ha! Your silliness is really funny sometimes, Chad. Ha ha!
Not being silly. I just misheard you, okay? But since we're in the desert, let's make the best of it and get the freaking ionizers.
Yeah, let's do it. We gotta get down to that hatch and solve everything.
Yeah.
No, maybe you guys could do that, but read my lips, Chad.
No new taxes. What? Okay, I'm reading your lips. They're not saying anything, which is unusual for you.
You know, I don't even care about this ionizer. We're out here on a field mission. I'm gonna have fun.
Finding what's underneath the hatch is fun too, Melvin. Then we can destroy Project Zorgo forever.
Yes.
That's the best part.
That's the most fun.
I'm with Melvin. This ionizer thing blows.
What? Come on.
I said it. Come on, Melvin. You want to go get some tacos, have some fun?
Hey.
Heck yes.
Let's get out of here.
What's going on? Come on,
Team
guys.
Man, come with us.
You ever try barbacoa?
Ooh, that stuff's good.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
about El Pastor?
Oh, actually, that's my favorite.
With the pineapple on top?
Yeah.
Guys, come back. I mean, part of being a spy ninja is staying together as a group and working together.
Exactly.
And they just split up like that.
Well, at least there's the 3 of us, right, Daniel? Daniel.
What kind of tacos do you like, Daniel? Wait,
Daniel.
Where's Daniel?
Daniel?
Where am I? Oh, it's still rolling. What it do, Spy Ninjas? Welcome. Wait a minute. No, today is Thursday. That means today is a V video. Whoops. Sorry, V. Subscribe to V. Below is a subscribe link. If it's red, click it, make it gray, everyone. Where am I? Where is everybody? Where's Chad? Are we in the middle of the desert? What the heck? I gotta get out of here. What the heck? Wait a minute, where am I right now? Weren't we like supposed to be going to a taco place or something? Chad! Melvin! V, Regina.
Daniel! Oh man, I can't believe Daniel probably went with Melvin and Regina. Ah!
The ex-Project Zargle team?
Daniel?
Oh, he would go with Chad and V. That baby.
He's not that much of a baby. He's an adult male.
Huh, like recently graduated or whatever. I mean, what's so important about this ionizer anyways? Mr. E said it's harmful to human life.
I know, and I don't want to harm my human life or anyone's human life.
Yeah, you know what? Maybe on this mission we're not spy ninjas.
What?
How about...
You're giving me your skull mask?
Yes.
Whoa, look at me!
Why?
I'm Melvin!
It really fits. You got this gangsta thing going on. Yeah, on today's mission, we're not spy ninjas. We are Skull!
And crossbones!
Yeah!
Now that we're out here, let's just get the ionizer, Chad.
We'll get it. We'll be the heroes, save the day. We'll defeat Project Zorgo while they're eating their tacos.
Well, if Chad and V are trying to get the ionizer, why don't we look for it first and then hide it away from them so we don't keep going back down into that hatch?
Yes, I'm down. We can beat them.
Well,
How's my laugh?
Yeah, let's go beat up some hackers.
Woo! Skull and crossbones! Except I still want to be a spy ninja, okay?
Oh, V, I'm so
Oh my
tired.
gosh.
Hold me up, V.
No,
I'm tired. Hold me up. Carry me, V. Let's get a piggyback here. Ah. Okay, that ain't gonna work. What?
Oh my gosh.
What is it?
Is that a hacker right there?
Let's see. I don't know. Wait, yeah. Oh, it is. Boy, what's he carrying, V?
It's gotta be the ionizer.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like that. It's got caution tape on it, I think.
The spy ninja way is we never throw the first punch. We only use martial arts for self-defense.
That's right.
We do things the right way.
Where do you think the ionizer will be, Melvin?
It's gotta be close by.
Whoa! Hacker! What is he doing? Yoga?
Taking a little siesta. Or maybe he's looking for those infamous tacos I heard they have out here.
There's something in his pocket.
What?
You see that?
Yeah, right there.
Okay, that must be a clue as to where the ionizer is. And then we can get it before Chad and V. So I'm gonna sneak up, pickpocket the hacker.
I mean, why don't we just skull and crossbones it up?
What does that mean?
Just jump him.
Jump him! Melvin! Spy ninjas, we don't throw the first punch.
Come on, but we're not spy ninjas on this mission. Just for this mission, we're skull and crossbones. We could do whatever the heck we want.
If you say so. He's still there. Now's your chance.
All right, I'm gonna call this one Hungry Shark. All right, stay back.
Wait, Melvin, stop!
What? I'm just making sure he's down for the count. That's it.
No, we don't do that. We're spy ninjas. Are you okay?
What?
What? He's leaving! Go! Melvin!
I didn't mean to. He was just doing a little bit better at parkour than me, so...
Hey, well, let's just grab the note. You see it anywhere? I see a bodacious booty. That's it.
what
Wait,
was
are you okay? Oh, it's right here. Feel better. All right, we got the note. Let's go.
Well, let's just use our spy ninja stealth snaking skills. Sneak up to him. Snatch it.
Alert! Hacker down! We need backup!
Wait, oh man. He's running after the ionizer.
Let's chase after him!
Go. Watch out for the cactuses, they're sharp. Jump over on me. Yes.
You know what, guys? I have a great idea. You guys know me. I always come prepared. So check it out. I got my handy dandy Daniel drone. Here we go. Prepare for liftoff. There we go. Okay, so I'm looking for a group of 4 people. Chad, V, Regina, Melvin. If you guys see them, comment down below. Okay, where are these goofballs? Can't believe they forgot about me. Hey, wait a minute. They forgot about me? Am I forgettable? Do they not actually like me? How could they forget about PZ1? Whoa! Oh my gosh, guys, do you see that right there? Look, is that a hacker right there? Let's get a little bit closer and see. Oh, yep, that's definitely a hacker. Oh, yep, he definitely sees me. Oh gosh, fly out of here, drone, fly. Oh, he's swinging. Oh, I dodged it. All right, let's get the heck out of here. Let's ignore him for now. Let's move on to another location. Wait a minute, there's 2 people walking around. That's Chad and V. Wait, where's Regina and Melvin? Chad and V are in that direction over there. I'm gonna go meet up with them and ask them why they forgot about little old me.
Whoa!
I don't see anybody.
Let's catch our breath right here.
Spy Ninjas, we need your help. Do you see a hacker anywhere? Wait. Is that a hacker? Wait, okay, V, I think that's him.
Hacker. Okay, let's ready.
Let's sneak up on him. Okay, ready, go. Oh, Daniel! Yeah,
Jeez, V.
we thought you were the hacker.
Oh, thank goodness I found you guys.
Wait,
We thought you went with Melvin and Regina.
Wait, no, Melvin and Regina, where are they?
We had a huge argument. They don't want to go down the hatch anymore.
That means you guys are mad at each other? Are the Spy Ninjas broken up? Maybe I can find out where Melvin and Regina are with my drone.
yeah.
Oh, just in case they don't want to come back with us because it seemed like they're pretty mad at us, can you just tell Melvin that if they see a hacker, make sure to do it the Spy Ninja ways. We do not throw the first punch.
Okay, awesome. All right, well, I'll try to find them
Okay.
and bring them back here. I'll send them your message.
The hacker's gotta be around here somewhere, V.
I don't see anyone.
I don't see him either.
Wait, what's that noise?
What?
Over there.
Let's see. There he is.
Isn't that a hacker right there?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh my gosh, let's go.
I've been looking for you all over the place. You said you need backup. I'm on the way, but I can't find you.
What?
I gotta go through the middle tunnel and you on the other side?
He's going to the tunnel.
Okay, I'll look there. You better be there. Don't waste my time no more.
It's 44. He has that thing. It looks like the ionizer. He's going to the middle tunnel.
Yeah.
Let's just follow him.
Okay.
Stealthily, using our spy skills.
Oh, yeah, girl.
Chad, stealth skills.
Sorry. It's kind of hard when they're... Oh!
That's some sloppy silent spy stealth skill.
Some sloppy stuff. I'm talking, V.
You're making me go through this tunnel. There's gotta be an easier way.
Go.
V, you're so fast. Oh
Oh my gosh.
I'm too big.
Good.
I'm too big. Wait for me. I'm too big to fit through here.
Oh yeah, you're too big.
Maybe I should have taken my backpack off.
V, he's right there.
It's great being small, you guys. We can go super fast into tiny spaces.
Oh my gosh, wait for me, V. I can't go that fast, I'm too big. Oh my gosh.
This is a mission for PZ2. I don't know why they send me over here. Gonna break my back.
He's right. He's pretty tall like me. Us tall guys can't fit through these tiny little tunnels. You go ahead, V. I'll catch up with you as fast as I can. This is seriously super tiring. That's why I'm the ninja one and she's the spy one. Oh my gosh.
Come on, Chad.
Oh, thanks, V. Wait, shh. Hacker's right there.
Through your stupid tunnel, and you guys ain't even over here. Where do you expect me to go?
Okay, V. You're fear of water, though. There's so much water right here. You can do it.
Wait, there's a little dry path over there. I can jump over it.
Okay, are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Yes! Whoa!
Where did he go?
He's getting away. He's up there. You got this. Yes.
He must got tired, Chad. I'm going through the tunnel. Just sitting there. Stay here. I have a plan.
Oh no, me! Oh!
Oh my gosh!
Go! This way!
This way! Oh my gosh!
Faster!
Oh my gosh!
Did we lose him?
Okay.
Did we lose him? I think we lost him, V.
I'm so tired.
Oh my gosh. Whew.
Let's get some water, Chad.
My gosh, I think I got a prickly in my bum.
Oh no!
Can you hold the camera?
Oh no! You got
My bum! My bum!
Oh no!
My tushy!
Oh my gosh! Oh, it's prickly right now.
prickly.
Oh no!
Oh, it hurts me! Careful!
God.
Oh, thank you, V.
Here you go.
Oh, it feels. Well, look at that. That was
That
poking.
thing's huge.
It's poking me in the bum. Anyway, let's get out of here.
Okay.
What? V,
What?
where'd it go?
Where's that go? Oh my gosh!
Wait, right there.
no, there!
Go, V, go.
Whoa!
Okay, where's Regina and Melvin? Man, it is so dang hot in this dang desert. I better put on some sunscreen so I don't get all red like a lobster. It's always important to protect yourself from the elements. Okay, Melvin, Regina, where are you? Whoa! Whoa, wait a minute, what is going on over here? That's definitely Melvin and Regina, and there's a hacker with them. Okay, looks like they're not that far. They're, this way. Let's go.
What does it say?
Oh, Hey. Oh, there you guys are.
Daniel,
Goodness.
where have you been?
Well, I was sleeping in the DeLorean. How did we end up getting here?
It's Chad and his deceitful ways.
Oh, so you had to change your heart and decided
No,
to go
I
to the desert?
didn't. He misunderstood me. I said dessert, and he took us out to the desert.
Oh.
Wait, Daniel, don't move.
What?
There's something on your nose.
What is it? Is it a pimple?
It looked like he enjoyed his Subway a little too much. Yeah, you got some mayo on your nose.
Ew, mayo boy!
I forgot to rub it in.
It's dry.
Why are you rubbing your mayo in your face?
It's not mayonnaise.
He's gonna get pimples.
It's sunscreen. It's good for you.
Not on your sandwich.
You're not getting it, Melvin. I didn't need it. You know what? V has a message for you guys.
No! I don't want to listen to them. What about you, Regina?
You know what? I'm liking being on Melvin's side. Hold the camera, Daniel.
Whoa, what?
Let's show him.
For this mission, we're not spy ninjas. We are Skull
And crossbones!
What in the world? Anyway, V wants me to tell you that-
No. I got a message for V.
Oh, okay. You know what? You guys are being ridiculous. I'm headed back to Chad and V and telling them how much of a buffoon you are.
Well, we're gonna be full buffoon after we get some of those tacos.
Okay.
Thursday.
Bye. Ah, man, what's gotten into everybody? Everybody's so mad at each other. I've never seen the Spy Ninjas split up like this. I gotta keep going back and forth in the middle of this scorching hot desert. I'm getting sunburned. I feel dehydrated. Guys, you should always be prepared when you know you're gonna be out in the hot sun all day. Oh, man, I don't know how much longer I can keep running back and forth. Wait a minute. Do you guys hear that? That sounds like a dog. Wait, no. Am I going crazy? Why would there be a dog out here in the middle of nowhere? Definitely hear a dog. I'm not going crazy, right? You guys hear that too? Wait a minute, there's hackers here, and there's a dog here. Could that be... Oh my gosh, what is that? Look. Do you guys see that? Behind that rock. Look, is that a dog? Is that... Douglas? My dog? Wait a minute, no. Am I seeing things here? Douglas, my dog, I tried to go to New Jersey to rescue him, but I failed. Now the hackers are here. They brought him to the Nevada desert. He's over here somewhere, I think. Douglas, is that you? I thought I saw him like in these... Hey, get away from me. What are you guys doing?
Get over here.
Give me back my dog.
We got the dog and now we got...
Where are you guys taking me?
We got a special place for you, baby.
Hey, you have my dog, Douglas. I saw him behind the bush, Douglas.
Oh my God.
Douglas, come and attack these hackers.
Good luck trying to get him to do that. You think you can mess with us? You think you can steal our ionizers? That's important Project Zorgo equipment. Anyways,
I didn't steal anything.
your face is gonna meet these rocks down here if you don't do what we say.
Let me go. Give me Douglas. Douglas, I know you're here. Douglas!